So hi guys and welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about my KTM 300. So the beast is having almost 600 hours. So what parts I changed, how the bike was behaving, and let's go. So here is the beautiful KTM, and yeah, the bike is really used, and yeah, of course 600 hours is not that small. So it's having big marks like of usage, like on the pipe you can see the dents, also on the rear exhaust, also the swing arm is full of the scratches. But yeah, the bike was really good. So I had like small problems like on 115 hours. I had full engine blowout, so piston, cylinder, top end, and yeah, also crankshaft I needed to repair. But yeah, maybe it was also my mistake because that the day it was really cold outside and I was just riding full throttle. And yeah, so but let's continue with the video. So this is the second set of the plastics. So first one I used it maybe for 450 hours. I was really happy with the OM plastics. Yeah, really strong. Yeah, nothing wrong with the plastics. Like on the Sherco Beta, it's breaking really easy, but on the KTM the plastics are 10 from the 10, maybe 15 from the 10, because you can twist it, do it everything, and yeah, it's still in the shape. So so 100%, and I can't remember everything, but so I think this is the my third seat cover, because the first one was totally bad. So OM is totally shit, it's just too slippery. Then I had the black one, and yeah, it was really good. Now I have this factory blue one, and it's really good because it has these ribs, so it's holding you really nice in the seat, and it's less making you arm pump. And yeah, so I changed, I think 3 or 4 fenders. Yeah, sometimes the bike gets flying, and yeah, shit happens. And yeah, so on the bike I think I changed it just one time, the rear bearings in the wheel. So also one time in the front. So it's for that much hours it's excellent. But what I did, like when I ride in the water, I remove the wheel, I regrease everything, and then it's holding. Also the swing arm bearings, I think they are stock still. When I talk about the sprockets, I think I changed in the 3 times the sprockets, so it's about lasting 200 hours like the piston. So most of the time when I change the piston, I also change the sprockets and the chain in the set. I always use GD jetting GD sprockets, sorry, and did yeah, chain, because I know some guys are running different chains, like cheaper ones, but it's not lasting that much. So OD grips, the best ones, I always use it. Maybe I put 10 times or more the grips, because I really love to have new grips. It's more easy to ride. So lever from 2024 MX, I just put it when I got the bike, and it's still good. And yeah, when I talk about the KTM, like 600 hours is not that much for some guys, and for some guys 100 hours is too much. So for me, I still can feel the bike is really good, so it's not having much problems. So only what I have noticed, like last times when I ride, like I'm having the small problems with the clutch. So still inside I have original clutch plates and the clutch discs. Yeah, some guys don't believe me, but that is really true. Only one time I repacked it, so I used some old clutch plates from my friend, and like to make it so the bike has less drag on the clutch. And yeah, on the front I use Mitas tire always, and on the rear I change like Metzeler, Dunlop, now some Chinese tire. Yeah, I like to test the tires. And yeah, X grip protection. It made the job really good. So I forgot also to say, I just changed one time this front pipe, so this is the second one. Yeah, original one is totally trash. I damaged it full. So yeah, inside the forks almost everything is stock. I only added this adjusting valve, and trust me, it's nothing special, only it gave me option to like make more oil flow or less on this adjustment. But the shims inside the forks are totally stock. Yeah, LED headlight. And yeah, I also forgot to say, I crashed this throttle housing and the cable, so this is new. I have put this part maybe before 20 hours. And yeah, still original coolant radiators. Yeah, this fan has 600 hours, maybe more. Yeah, this protection is must. So when you have this and this skid plate, it's really hard to break this clutch cover. And yeah, I'm really happy with the bike. So forgot to show you S3 low compression head. So yeah, I'm really happy with the bike. So it's excellent bike. I think if it's behaving like this, I'm going to keep it maybe 1 year, 2 years more, because it's so excellent. Because I often change the fluids in the suspension, and the bike still behaves really nice. So I have feeling like the bike is new, trust me. And yeah, about the discs, so on the rear I changed few discs. On the front maybe this is the second disc, but yeah, in the rear when you crash, yeah, sometimes this protection is not enough, you still bend the disc. But yeah, the bike is good. So if you're looking to buy the KTM, trust me, it's really good bike. So for 600 hours, I'm not really sure how much money I put inside. So everything what I changed on the bike, I have in the book. So what do you think, guys, about like making some video about the costs of owning this KTM? So I can make on the book, so every hour what I changed and how much I needed to pay money. So it's going to be excellent video. So I'm not really sure, maybe I put the same amount of this bike in the bike, I don't know. So but the book is going to show you. So what you guys think about that? And yeah, when you look the bike, so what you think, how much hours the bike has? Can you give it 600? So, and trust me, on the bike there is like nothing what I can tell, it's totally gone. So if you invest like something in the bike, you can still make it to look really nice and beautiful. So for me, it's still excellent. Yeah, I forgot to say also, one time I changed the bushing inside the electric starter. So yeah, thanks you for watching, and if you are interested in something, please comment, I'm going to make video about it.